You ready to go fishing?
I'm ready to go fishing, but first, Duncan!
At the next light, turn right.
Geared up. It's cold. So we're going fishing, baby.
Chicago.
I awoke only to find my lungs empty, and through the night, so it seems I'm not breathing. And now my dreams are nothing like they were meant to be, and I'm breaking down.
It's cold.
Spoon.
It's cold. We got Weedy over
What's
here.
up? Party time in Chicago, man.
Yes, sir. Just another Wednesday afternoon in Colorado. And I'm all for it. I'm all about it.
I have snow down my swimsuit right now.
Oh, damn.
Whew, it is cold in there.
All right, well, that was a big failure.
They're super cold. Hands are super cold. Like,
Here we go. Big failure. Oh, man. Well, that didn't work. The pool was empty, full of snow, and the jacuzzi was just empty. Come on, buddy. So we're moving to plan B.
so that little mess supposed to keep it plugged.
No hot tub
No problem.
for the communal vibes, but we got our own thingy going.